What I have here is a demonstration of heat being a form of energy. I've got a old chicken broth can I drained the chicken broth out of, and I've soldered in small little copper tubes, and they come out an angle and they're pinched down to shoot the steam out of here, because what I have inside here is a little bit of water. I've got a plug at the top to keep it airtight. I'm going to put a heat source underneath it. Now, heat being a form of energy, it will go into the internal energy of this can, boil the water, cause the water to turn into steam, and the steam will then shoot out of these little nozzles, okay, and create a force causing the can to turn. This particular steam engine, if you will, is called Hero's engine, named after Hero. And what I'll do is I'll hook it on here. I've got a swivel connection up here so that the can can spin once it gets heated up. And I will start this. I'll add a little heat source underneath here, which is just a can of Sterno. And this will take a few minutes to heat up. So we'll pause it, we'll stop the video here, and we'll come back in a minute and see what's happening. Okay, so we've been heating the water in the can here for a couple minutes. And of course, we know kinetic energy is a form of energy. So energy of motion is a form of energy. And so the heat here is boiling the water, and the heat is being converted to kinetic energy. You'll see not only the kinetic energy of the can as it starts to spin, you might see some of the steam coming out, and steam will be shooting out with some kinetic energy. We also have some sound being generated as the can goes around. Now we see the steam is shooting out, and we have our heat source, and we have the heat converting into kinetic energy, sound, hot water. But heat is definitely a form of energy.